Welcome to 907 Whitehead. This beautiful old town renovation of a historic home from 1933 has just been completed. Inside you'll discover high-end Bosch appliances, hardwood floors throughout, impact doors and windows. All of this only steps away from Duval Street, from the Hemingway house, from Fort Zachary Taylor Park. Enjoy sunsets at Mallory Square. Walking distance to pretty much everything you could find in Key West. The main house boasts 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Natural light throughout the entire property. As you step outside, you'll find a beautiful waterfall pool, perfect seating area, entertaining, and outdoor kitchen. While the guest cottage is 1 full bath and 1 bedroom. Perfect for a private getaway. Set up an appointment today to come take a look for yourself at this beautiful old town gem. Royal Palms Realty. We do luxury